Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how to create a multi-model bot with the help of CrewAI. So we're going to create a research and writer agents. The first agent is going to research the data for us as the given topic, and the second one is going to write a SEO-friendly content for us. So with the help of CrewAI, we are going to achieve this task. So you can apply these techniques into your companies as well. Let's say you have a social media agency where you want to create the content for your customers. So the first thing that you need to do is search about that content, and the second thing that you need to do is write an SEO friendly content for your client. So you can adopt this scenario into your company as well. So let's see how we can create it. So the first thing that you need to do is just install these dependencies. So it will ask you to restart the session once you install this dependency. So make sure you have restarted the session as well. The second thing that we need to do is just import these libraries from CrewAI, agents, task, and crew. You can also search about these things in the CrewAI official documentation. So the only thing that you need to do is just click on there and search about CrewAI documentation. Here we go. And here you're gonna get everything about CrewAI, how you can install it, how you can start the project, about agents and tasks and etc. etc. So you can click over there, get started, like a starting project, and here you can see about each and everything about CrewAI. I'm just gonna make it simple for now. So here we go. So the things that you need to do is just import the agent, task, and crew. We're gonna discuss about them in a minute. So the second thing that you need to do is just import any model that you want. So by default they have integrated OpenAI model, so you can use OpenAI model over there as well. So if you want to use any other model, so you need to use a little bit libraries about LangChain. So I'm using NVIDIA embeddings and NVIDIA models. So the embeddings are not required over there. I'm just showing you that if you want to do any other task where the embedding is required, so by default they are using OpenAI embedding. So you need to add the embeddings into this crew as well, otherwise it will gonna show you an error. So the OpenAI key is missing, because by default the CrewAI is using the OpenAI embeddings and OpenAI model. So there we go. Just click over there and load this line as well. So you need to set up your NVIDIA key over there. So make sure you have set up your NVIDIA key as well. So click on it. Let's zoom it a little bit more so you can see it more clearly. So you can click over there, and here the main task is start. So the first thing that we need to create our agent. Let's say agents are your employees. You need to assign a role to your agent. Let's say this is my new internee and this is my new worker. So I can assign the role as well as roles over there. So this is the internee, this is the manager, this is the senior developer, this is the mid-level developer, etc., etc. Whatever you have in your mind, or whatever your job requirement is, whatever your task requirement is, you can assign the role as per your requirement. Let's say I want a content planner agent right now, so I can assign a role as content planner agent. You can define the goal of this agent, so what you want to achieve from this agent. Let's say I want to get the accurate content from this agent, so I have assigned the goal. So behind the scene, what is the backstory is, you can whenever you hire a person, you can tell them what you want. So okay, this is the project that we have, and you are a senior developer for this project, and now what you need to do, you need to do LLM model to create an accurate customer support bot for this. So the bot should grab the data from this PDF, the bot should grab the data from the website, and etc., etc., whatever the story, whatever the project requirement, in short, if I say. So in the backstory you can define this. So this is the easiest explanation to understand this. So this is the actual thing that we assign to the agent. So after that we have options. So let's say I have allow delegation. I have set it to false right now, and the verbose is equal to true. So I can see what this agent is actually going to do, from where it's getting the data and what it's actually going to do. So if you want to learn more about it, you can press Control Shift and space, and it will show you the documentation of this particular function. You can see about it. So as you have seen, it was using a chat OpenAI model by default. So you can set up the OpenAI key and it will access this model. So You can use any LLM as provided into the documentation. So I'm using an NVIDIA model right now, and here is the lot more documentation available over there. You can read about this any function about CrewAI, and doesn't matter you're working on TensorFlow, PyTorch with the help of this documentation, or you can directly come over there and search about the agents and tasks, whatever you want to do. So let's click over there and agents, and it will show me the code about this, so what the agent actually do, and it will provide the docs over there as well. You can read about this documentation as well, or you can directly read about the agent into the website, or you can Google it. Simple thing is that you can Google about it. So this is what the agent do. So this is my agent. So if you are using OpenAI model, then you doesn't need to assign this parameter LLM is equal to LLM. Or if you are using any other model, let's say you are using NVIDIA models, or you are using Hugging Face model, then you need to pass the LLM parameters over there as well. Otherwise, it's gonna show you the error. So currently, I'm using a Metal Llama 3.7 million instructor model. You can use any model from NVIDIA or Hugging Face or wherever you want to access the model. You can use your custom models as well. So it is free to use NVIDIA and Hugging Face. That's why I'm using it over there. So you can test it without any cost. So if you have an OpenAI paid subscription, you can use this as well. It is better. Always I suggest the OpenAI models. So if you have the paid subscription, then you can use this as well. So this is the second agent. So this agent is going to search about the content, plan about the content, and this was my agent that is going to write the content for me. And the same thing that I have defined over here. This is the must things that you need to do: the role, the goal, and the backstory. And these are the optional parameters. So what is mean by allow allegation? Allow allegation means, let's say I have a scenario, as I told you before, I have a social media agency. So I have a writer, I have a person who is going to search the content for me. So let's say the searcher searched about the content, and the writer said, okay, you should need to change these kind of things. I don't want the information about, let's say, LinkedIn social media. The client requirement is to write the content for only Instagram. So it was going to revise the content for him. So it was going to set back the revision to the researcher, and we're going to research about only the Instagram social media. So this is the kind of thing over there. So if you want to revise the content from the previous board, then you can allow the delegation, and you have to set it equal to true. I don't want to do this for now. So in your scenario, if you want, then you can do this as well. So in this agent, I still need to pass the LLM because I'm using the NVIDIA LLM instead of OpenAI. So this is my editor agent. It is going to check the work, is this work is accurate or not. So these are the three agents that I have created over there. And in your scenario, you can create more than 3 agents. So right now, to keep it small and simple, I have created only 3 agents over there. Now the agents are created. Now I need to test them. So let's say the roles and each and everything is defined. I have tell my senior developer, you need to create an LLM for customer support service. So now I need to assign him a task and check it out. Is it actually able to do this or not? So in the task section, I need to define the descriptions. So this is the things that you need to do. I have assigned it one by one. You can assign anything in whatever you fit in your scenario. And I have assigned the expected output as well. Let's say I have said you need to create a customer support service, and whenever the user add a prompt, it will whenever the user add a prompt and ask something to the customer support bot about my company, then you have to print the accurate answer as per the prompt. So this is the expected output I have set it over here. It will be anything in your scenario as per the requirement about researcher and writer. I have set it this over there, so it can be changed and it can be anything as per your requirement. And the agent that I have assigned over there is planner. So where I am getting this planner agent, so I have defined it into the top. So this is my planner agent that I have assigned it over there. The agent that I am using is planner, and for the writing task, I'm using the agent that I have defined it is writer. So you can see what I have added into the description and expected output, the same thing that I have defined before. So this is the editor edit agent. So this is the description, this is the expected output, and this is the agent that I have signed over there is editor, which is here. So this is the scenario. This is the simplest way to create the agents with the help of CrewAI. So the second thing that I need to do is just click on over there the Crew, and it will now take the agents one by one first. So the first agent is planner, the second agent is writer, and the third agent is editor. Make sure you have add them into the list as sequence as you defined above. And the second list is the plan, task, and editor, and the word burst is equal to true. This is optional. If you want to set them, you can. If you don't want to set them equal to true, then that's totally fine. I have set them equal to true, so I can show you how it was actually getting the information. So the second thing that you need to do is just click over there. The topic is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence or anything you're need to do. Now it was starting working over there. As you can see, it was getting the data. It was starting the chain. It was starting the chain over there. So entering new blue executor chain. So here's what's starting the thing. So the content plan document is artificial intelligence. The document, the topic data I have give it over there. So it will start processing it, and here we go, and at the bottom it will show you the actual answer. Which one is this? So let's print this answer so we can see it more accurately. So with the help of python.display you can do this task. So click over there and it will show you the actual answer that the bot done for us. So unlocking the power of artificial intelligence, trends, key players, and websites. So here we go, we can see the introduction, the latest trend, and etc. And here just creating a call to action for our clients as well. So it is that much simple to create your army of agents, and it will do the work for 24/7 for you, and it is very easy to create an agent with the help of CrewAI. So multi-model agents are in demand right now, and everyone is want to add them into their website and their business as well. So you can create a customer support service bot with the help of this CrewAI as well. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, then do comment down. If you want to create anything else with the help of CrewAI, let's say customer support bot and outreaching bot or anything that you have into mind, so please comment down into the comment section, and I will definitely create a video for on this app for you as well. So hope you like it. Thank you very much.